with United Country Virginia Realty. Got this piece of property I want you guys to check out. It's just over 4 acres of land off of US Highway 1 and Mineral Springs Road. Technically it's out in Boydton, Virginia, but it feels more like South Hill once you get out into that area, but it's on the way like you're heading down towards Lake Gaston in Bracy, Virginia. Anyway, it's a beautiful 4-acre piece of property, zoned agricultural, and it's a residential lot. So the way this piece of property is set up, and you'll see in the footage that I have for you here, but it's roughly 50% open and 50% mixed hardwoods. And the coolest thing about this piece of property that I've noticed as I was walking it was there's this little creek that meanders through the back, and I tell you, it's just this beautiful little oasis once you get back into that property. So anyway, if you're looking for a piece of residential land that's zoned just right to where your restrictions are pretty minimal, then this might be the one you want to look at. Nice little community, very rural, as you can tell by the drone footage, and with access to really whatever you're looking for. I mean, you're just a short hop, skip, and a jump from I-85, so less than a couple of minutes from there. You're near the city of South Hill, which gets you close to your amenities, and then you're just a short drive. I mean, you are 1 mile from the steel bridge there that would give you access to all the fishing that you want. I mean, come on, let's face it, Kerr Lake and Bugs Island Lake and Lake Gaston, just absolutely phenomenal fishing. So anyway, check out the property. If you're interested, please don't hesitate to give me a call, 804-210-6533. I'd love to talk with you about it, love to show it to you. And again, my goal is to continue to provide you with videos about Southside Virginia, Northern North Carolina, and really all the properties that we have available to you. So if you found this video beneficial to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there, and then go ahead and shoot me a like, and send me a message, send me a comment if you've got some interest. So y'all be good.